Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about difference between watching and verification, concept of watching and concept of verification. Concept learning is our main objective. Watching, a careful examination of all original evidences such as invoice receipt of correspondence minutes, contracts, etc. That is a watching. Watching is a careful examination of all original evidence. What are the original evidence? Invoice receipts, correspondence minutes, contracts, agreements, etc. So, useful in providing the accuracy of the entries in the books of accounts. So watchers are useful in providing the accuracy of the entries in the books of accounts. Also indicates about that transaction which is omitted from the books of accounts. So which are omitted from the books of accounts. The transactions also we can find out by using watching. Next, also called the essence of auditing. Yes, in auditing, watching is the main essence. Not possible without watching. Okay. Next, objectives of watching. Now we discuss objectives of watching. Proper evidence. Watching is conducted for proper evidence, proper authority. The transaction done by proper authority, right period, belongs to this year or not, right period, and also date, time considered certain transactions. Next, correct amount, capitals and revenue analysis, it's belong to revenue item or capital item. Purchase for business, arithmetical accuracy. So these are the objectives of watching. Postings, no error, that means any error occurred. No fraud, there is no fraud. Castings, that means total. Cash at bank, cash balance, reporting. These are the objectives of watching. Next, general principles regarding verification. General principles regarding verification. Now we discuss about verification. Verification is confirm that the assets were in existence on the date of the balance sheet date. So verification shows assets are existed on the date of the balance sheet date. Ascertain that the assets have been acquired for the purpose of the business and under proper authority. So assets are acquired for the purpose of the business and by the proper authority, and assets also controlled under the proper authority. Next, confirm ownership of the asset. Confirm ownership of the asset or leased out or any lien created on that asset. So these are all verified. Ascertain that no charge has been created on the asset. So there is no charge has been created on that asset. We have to ascertain. Next, ensure that the current book value of the asset is determined after providing correct amount of depreciation for various years. So we have to ascertain current book value after providing correct amount of depreciation for various years. Next, ensure that values reflect current physical condition of the asset. So the value of the asset, it reflects current physical value of the asset. Next, ensure that disclosures regarding assets are adequate. Disclosures regarding assets are adequate in the books of accounts, that means in the balance sheet. Next, objectives of verification. Objects of verification: to verify the assets and liabilities because of certify the ownership, position of the assets and the balance sheet date, existence of the assets, detect any fraud occurred, verify position. So verify position, it belongs to the entity or not. Next, true and fair view, depreciation plans provided in the books of accounts. Next, valuation of assets, valuation of liabilities are properly made or not, evaluation methods, recording methods, internal control are existed properly, arithmetic accuracy, treatment of items, current period. So these are the objects of verification. Next, difference between verification and watching. So in verification, establish truth. In watching, examines the entries. In watching, examines the entries with proper evidence, documentary evidence. Next, in verification, done at the end of the year. Watching during whole year. Verification based on personal and documentary evidence. Here consider both personal and documentary evidence in verification. In watching, based on only documentary evidence. Only documentary evidence. In verification, includes valuation also. Includes valuation also. In watching, not concerned with valuation. In verification, certifies correctness. In watching, certifies correction of records is any existed. Next, verification done by auditor. Verification done by auditor. Watching done by accounting department. Okay, or article assistants. Subscribe to